But since this also has for a limited time 1.5 Gcash cashback, you also get that. And since Microsoft Office, which you would usually spend 5K for, is now free with this thing, that's also a pretty big discount. We're giving away a backpack with this too, though that comes pretty standard. So overall, as an upgrade from their usual laptops, both from its processor to its ports to its keyboard, I'd say this is a pretty decent upgrade without breaking the bank. Hey everyone, it's your boy Laz here, and this is just going to be a really quick video for this really quick upgrade that HP did on one of their iconic laptops. Everyone knows HP as a reliable brand, and well, they've upgraded one of their most reliable laptops, which is the HP Laptop 15. So if you're looking for a brand new everyday work laptop, school laptop, or just one for general use, stick around because this new one may just be the one for you. So I'm just going to do a really quick review of this laptop, from its design, what's inside the box, the specs, features, pros and cons, and of course my favorite criteria: does it do what it's supposed to do? So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So when you get it in the box, of course, you're just going to have the unit itself, all the other armor that they're going to use to protect the unit once it's in transport. You have the printed materials such as the manual and the warranty. And the charger. Actually, a neat thing about this charger is how small it is. It's a 45-watt charger, and check it out. It's a barrel type. But now let's move on to the laptop itself. First, let's talk about the appearance. So it looks like your pretty standard HP laptop. It's a 15, specifically a 15.6-inch laptop with the HP logo at the back, a silver body with an aluminum top, and the plastic body. It has a co-pilot button right here, right next to the Alt key. And another thing I like about this is the keyboard. It's a 100% keyboard, and something new about this laptop is that the keyboard is actually backlit. Usually these HP laptops don't come with a backlit keyboard, but this is a welcome addition to this new one. So that's addition number 1. Now moving on to the ports over here on the left side. First, you have the USB Type A, an HDMI port, and a Type C port, and your audio combo jack, so you can actually charge this using your Type C charger. And on the right side, you have your USB Type A and your usual barrel type charging port. The cool thing about this is now that it has a Type C port, like I said earlier, you can charge this with your Type C charger. So let's say you forgot this really tiny charger back at home, but you happen to have your phone charger with you, and most phone chargers go all the way up to 60 anyway, so you're going to be comfortable using that to charge this laptop. So that's a good way that HP is future-proofing this one. So now we're going to move on to the measurements of this thing, and if you're wondering why I'm going to be measuring it with a flower pot, I'm not. It's because we keep losing this thing, and I saw a life hack that said if you want to remember where something is or remember something important, put something in something stupid. So like this one time I had something really important to do, so what I did was I put a pillow on the floor, and for no other reason there would be a pillow on the floor. So when I saw that pillow on the floor, which shouldn't usually be there, I thought to myself, why is that there? Why did I do that? Then I remembered that this laptop is 35.9 centimeters in length, 6 centimeters in width, and only about 2 centimeters in height. Wow, okay. Now we're gonna be checking out the weight. 1.62 kilograms. That's about right. Okay, so now let's look at the specs of this HP Laptop 15, specifically the FD1541TU. So for the CPU on this thing, this boasts an Intel Core 5 120U. It has 10 cores, 12 threads, and has a max boost of 5.0 gigahertz. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with an anti-glare screen that can go up to 300 nits, and of course it has the standard Windows 11 Home. And as with most HP laptops, this one has free Microsoft Lifetime Access. So now let's move on to the camera and microphone test. Goodbye, outdoor boys. I'll see you later when I go to bed. Okay, so it's not bad. It's not that good either. It's pretty standard. It's a little grainy, but I guess it's because I'm in a dark environment. But it's getting all the right unfortunate details on my face. This also counts as a sound test, by the way, for the microphone. Hello! Okay, so this also has a camera cover. Let me just take the cover off. It's not that good either. It's pretty standard. So the audio is pretty good too. The camera is pretty standard. The microphone got my speaking voice all the way from back here. But all in all, it's a pretty good camera and microphone. Okay, so this looks pretty standard now. You have your fan over here, which leads all the way here to the CPU. That's your Intel Core 5. This is my favorite part though. As you can see, there are 2 RAM slots here and one of them's empty, so this RAM is upgradable. And over here you do have your SSD slot, and the SSD is upgradable, but there's a caveat. It's removable upgradable, so once you remove this, your OS and everything else, it's gonna be gone. And over here you have the battery and the 2 speakers on either end. So overall, it's a pretty standard inside of a laptop. Oh, and also you have the Wi-Fi 6. So this laptop in particular has a 7 days replacement warranty for factory defects and a 1-year warranty for manufacturer defects. And now that we've seen all the ins and outs of this laptop, we can now proceed to the pros and cons. I don't know why I'm using an ASMR voice. So first, one of the quick cons is the battery life is only, well, decent. It's not good, it's not bad. It can last, let's say, 6 to 7 hours. It's still a 15.6-inch laptop, so it doesn't have that big of a screen. So if you're, say, gonna watch something on widescreen or want something more immersive for general use, the screen could be better. And it's not designed for heavy power users. This is a productivity laptop, not a performance monster. And finally, the design is pretty basic instead of, well, premium. It looks just like any other HP laptop unless you were looking specifically at the specs and the backlit keyboard and I guess the ports. Now moving on to the pros. As you saw from our chassis removal, this does have an upgradable RAM. 16GB is already good, but if you need stronger performance, this is easy. You can just stick it right in there and now it's screaming. The display is still pretty decent despite what I said earlier because of the anti-glare and the 300 nits. Though the nits could be higher, this is pretty good. And it has a full HD webcam as you saw earlier in our test. And the speakers, actually, I was well surprised with how loud they were. And another pro, which I also consider one of the upgrades of this HP laptop, is unlike their older models, this now has a, check it out, a backlit keyboard, so you can use it in the dark or wherever. And the keyboard happens to also be 100%. It also has modern connectivity. The Wi-Fi is now Wi-Fi 6, and it has a USB-C port right over here. Overall, this is just like one of their older HP laptops with modern upgrades. And I guess this is both a con and a pro for me because this just looks like any other HP laptop. Look, it's just as lightweight as the other ones with just a bunch of modern upgrades. Do with that what you will. If you like the classic design, this is good for you, and if not, then oh well. But if you notice, the pros and the cons actually weigh each other out, and when I did say any cons, they were just pretty standard cons that you get from any old laptop, because this is just like their old laptops, but with the added features in places that matter. So overall, as an upgrade from their usual laptops, both from its processor to its ports to its keyboard, I'd say this is a pretty decent upgrade without breaking the bank. So does this laptop do what it's supposed to? Yeah, it's a pretty decent upgrade from their usual HP models. Again, the best features about this are the new CPU, the Intel Core 5, the backlit keyboard, the USB Type-C, and the upgradable RAM. So here at Laptop Factory, we're actually selling this for below SRP. So you'd have the standard retail price, what we're selling it for in cash. But since this also has, for a limited time, 1.5 Gcash cashback, you also get that. And since Microsoft Office, which you would usually spend $5K for, is now free with this thing, that's also a pretty big discount. We're giving away a backpack with this too, though that comes pretty standard. Overall, this is a pretty decent laptop if you're looking to upgrade. So to my American and English speaking audience, I'll be seeing you later. And for my Filipino audience, mabuhay tayong mga kabayan. Okay, matutulog na ako guys.